So on the consumer side of that, I mean, on the lending side of that, like, what's the strategy that you're sort of implementing right now? Because there are people who need homes, there are people who need to sell homes, but there's not like a massive market for it, even though there's demand and those rates are high. But there's also this, you bring up this good point that like as one line goes down, we're going to see another one kind of go up, right? And so
Yeah.
like, what does that mean for lenders right now? Like, what are your options? Do you or Mike, do y'all like a strategy that y'all are kind of going with? I think Al, you've talked about like a falling rate refi before, but like, what's sort of the strategy and how can lenders position themselves, I guess, right now in this sort of weird will they, won't they environment?
I mean, I think every lender right now, certainly there's a lot in play there. Any loan you've closed, let's start with, when rates started going sky high 2 years ago, yes, every lender knows we've got a portfolio of loans that at the right time, there's going to be a huge increase in refi business. I mean, I think the biggest thing right now that lenders are excited about is that it seems like the turn is being made right now with rates. It'll probably be a gradual process lower, but, I think it's a real misconception with lenders. There's purchase loans and then there's refinance loans. Well, the refi business is an enormous part of the mortgage business. And the refi side of things in the last 2 years has gone down shockingly. We're talking 80 to 90% less business. Okay. So every lender, large lender, small lender, the effect of there being no refi activity was a killer. There's no way around it, and now I think what's happening is that certainly there's a large, everybody who took out a loan and bought a house in the last 2 years. I think right now lenders are understanding we're on the forefront of all of those people wanting to do a refi because it's just going to make, perfect sense. If you're at 7% and you can refi down to 5%, it's going to save you a significant amount of money. Okay. So a lot of it depends on how quickly rates go down. I hope it's a gradual thing, but I think more than anything, when it comes to just volume in this business, the refi business that is coming back is going to play, a huge role in that.